Hi, Ian here from Ideal Excavation. I just purchased this new BOBCAT E20 from Clark Equipment in Brisbane as my new machine, which is really good. It's working good so far. There was a few problems we had at the first couple of weeks on controllers, which I'll show you later. Now, when I got this machine for obviously the first week, the controller here on your right hand was the usual functions, working everything. The toggle switch on the top worked your auxiliaries, so your auger, rock breaker. Now on the 50-hour service we changed a few things. This one now works your tilt bucket, and on my left hand, this used to be the tilt bucket on the toggle switch. We have now changed that to the boom offset, for the reason that every time we were working the machine we had to flick the auxiliary to work the boom offset on the left hand controller. Now it also worked the power tilt bucket at the front. That's now been deleted. It only works boom offset and auxiliaries. So if the auxiliaries is on, you've got no boom offset now, but you have got your auxiliaries. When we switch that off, it goes back to boom offset. Now in here obviously is our engine, which is nice and clean, very easy for service. Oil filter, fuel filter, air filter, main oil in here, really good, nice and easy service. We've also got another handle here, which if we pull, this then comes around to the radiator for easy cleaning. We've got your battery and everything in here as well. Diesel, which obviously can be filled from the outside, but heads in here. Nice easy access, real good for cleaning. We've got the BOBCAT's standard display unit. When we switch it on, all our functions is here. Auxiliary button, we can change, press it. It's got 3 settings for the auxiliaries. We've also got a cup holder. Brilliant. Best thing ever. Never had one in my last machine. Real handy. As part of my mini combo, I work in a lot of tight spaces. Now, some of the times we have to remove the canopy. Very easy on this machine. Still needs 2 people. We have got 4 bolts. 2 located at the back on either corner, just in there. And the other 2 are underneath the floor mat, which you lift up the corner. One on this side and identical on the opposite. One in there. Remove them, 2 guys lift it off. Takes maybe 2 minutes to pull the canopy off. Very easy. Yeah, because we've added on the Norm Power Tilt Quick Hitch, which we'll show you in a minute, we've ended up in the boom here, we've ended up with 4 extra pipes, all newly fitted. But in the middle here we had 2 grease nipples. Now access was very awkward, so on the 50-hour service we've extended these grease nipples on flexi and put them up the boom. Makes it very easy now for greasing. This here is the Norm Power Tilt Quick Hitch. When you get this, it's a standard hitch, it's on here, not a power tilt. So this one's been done by Norm, which obviously we can see it on the marker there. Very good. No safety pin, which nowadays obviously everybody's on about safety. These don't require it. It's a double locking system where you don't need the safety pin.